Fire damage goes way beyond what you can see. Even after the flames are out, smoke, soot, and moisture keep causing harm every single hour. Smoke travels fast, through walls, air ducts, and into rooms that never caught fire. It leaves behind an oily film called soot that starts corroding metal within 48 hours. Water from firefighting efforts adds another layer of damage. In a North Carolina summer, wet materials can grow mold in as little as 24 hours. Step one is always safety. Your contractor boards up openings, shuts off utilities, and checks for structural hazards before any cleanup begins. Next, every room is photographed and documented in detail. This record is the foundation of your insurance claim. Nothing gets moved first. Industrial dryers and dehumidifiers remove moisture from walls, floors, and framing. Moisture meters track progress until everything reads safe. Soot removal requires the right technique. Dry chemical sponges come before any wet cleaning. Wiping with water first smears soot deeper and makes it harder to remove. Odor is tackled with professional equipment. Thermal foggers and hydroxyl generators neutralize smoke molecules deep inside walls and porous materials, not just on the surface. Don't wait. Hidden damage gets worse by the hour. Call Go Agree Restoration of NC at 919-906-54